Question number 32. He said a square tank of 250 cubic meters has to be dug out. The very first thing is we have to dug out a square tank, means its base is square and depth is different. So he said cost of land is 50 square per meter, 50 per meter square, because 50 per meter square cost of land, and cost of digging increases as the depth increases, its cost of digging will be increases, and it will be 400 into depth square. As depth will increase, its cost will increase exponentially, right? Find the dimensions of the cost for the dimensions of the tank for the least cost. Now cost minimum, volume 250, constant, cost least minimum, that means we need to differentiate the cost, right? Find its dimension means x and h you need to find, x and h you need to find for the least cost. Now cost will be including here in two things. One is its cost of land, means it depends on area, plus cost of digging, and digging cost depends on the depth, means depth is also, if we are reducing the depth we have to increase the area to make the volume constant, as volume is 250, right? So we cannot use more depth, because depth increases means its cost increases, as cost of digging depends on depth. So we have to make a balance between the depth and the area, right? Now cost of land is, land will be x into x, area is x into x, x square, and for per square meter is 50, so cost of land is 50x square. But for per square meter it is 50, for this much land it is 50x square, right? Plus cost of digging is 400 into depth, depth we have taken h into depth square. Now said volume, volume is given constant, volume is equal to x square into h. So we got here x square is equal to 250 upon h. That is your equation 1, and we can put it here that 50 into 250 upon h. Now it depends, cost depends on single variable h. This is from equation 1, we got x square is equal to 250 upon h. Now differentiate it with respect to the single variable h. 1 upon h minus 1 upon h square. For h square it is 2h, and for maxima or minima it is equal to 0. Derivative is equal to 0 for maxima or minima. That is after double derivative we will come to know. So we got 800h is equal to 12500 divided by x square. So h cube is equal to 125 divided by 8. H is equal to, we got 5 by 2. And at this point your double derivative is minus minus plus 250 upon h cube plus 800. H is 5 by 2, so this will be your positive. Positive means C is at H is equal to 5 by 2, this will be positive, so your C is minimum, cost is minimum at H is equal to 5 by 2. And as H is 5 by 2, from equation 1, x square is equal to 250 upon h. So we got x is equal to 10. So your dimensions are h is 5 by 2 and x is 10 for the least cost. Just note it down.